Hello children, let us do the exercise 7.2. The first question, find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Here we want to factorize the number 64. Here we got 64 as a product of 2 and how many times? 6 times we want to multiply to get 64. Here 64 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means I make two groups. In each group 3 2's are there. So cube root of 64 is cube root of, can you see the groups here? From each group I want to take 1 2. So here 2 into 2. So cube root of 64 is 4. Let us look into 512. After factorizing 512, we got 9 2's. That means we multiplied 2 9 times, then we got 512. Then look into the groups. First group 3 2's, second group again 3 2's, third group contain again 3 2's. That means 2 multiplied 3 times. Which number is multiplied 3 times, that make as a group. Here only 2 is the number. So we want to make here like this. And cube root of 512 is 1 2 from the first group, again 1 2 from the second group, and 1 2 from the third group. Then what is the product? It is 8. Then 10,648. After factorizing, we got 2 3 times and 11 3 times. Then make as a group. That means 3 2's in one group and 3 11's in one group. Then what is the cube root of 10,648? Take 1 2 from this group and 1 11 from the second group. So 2 into 11 as 22. So children, it is compulsory to factorize the numbers by prime numbers. Then let us look into that 27,000. So it is very easy to factorize the number by 3. So I did the number by 3. So after dividing 27,000 by 3, it is 9,000. By 3 it is 3,000. By 3 it is 1,000. By 2 it is 500. Again 500 by 2 250. By 2 125. By 5 25. By 5 5. So from this factorization we can see that 3 3 times, 2 3 times and 5 3 times. So 27,000 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. That means 3 groups. In each group contains 3 3's, 3 2's and 3 5's. Then how can we find cube root of 27,000? So 1 3 from the first group, 1 2 from the second group and 1 5 from the third group. So the answer is 3 into 2 6, 6 5's are 30. Then let us look into the another one, 15,625. So after factorizing, let us look the factorization of 15,625. It is easy to divide this number by 5. So 3 5's are 15. In 6 1 5, 12 2, then 3,125. Again divide by 5, 6 2 5. Again by 5, 1 2 5. Again by 5, 25. Again by 5, here we got 5. That means here we got 5 6 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So we want to make two groups. In each group 3 5's are there. Then we can take 2 5's from that group. That means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Then we can take 1 5 from each group. That is cube root of 15,625 can be written as 1 5 from this group and 1 5 from second group. So the answer is 25. Then next one, 13,800 24. This can be divided by 2. 6 2s are 12, 9 2s are 18, 12. Again by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again by 2, 1, 7, 2, 8. By 2, here after dividing 1728 by 2, we got 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8. By 2, 4, 3, 2. By 2, 260. Then 108. Again we can divide 108 by 2, 54. By 2, 27. It is divided by 3, 9. By 3, 3. So from this factorization we can see that how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 3 3's are there. So we can write it as a groups. That means one group here, this is one group, that means 3 2's, and in another group 1 2 3, and third group here and fourth group. That means 4 groups are there, 3 groups containing 3 2's and 1 group containing 3 3's. So we can write the square cube root of 13,824 as 1 2 from the first group, 1 2 from the second group, 1 2 from the third group and 1 3 from the fourth group. So what is the answer? 8 into 3, 24. That is cube root of 13,824 is 24 itself. Then which is the next question? 110,592. Since it is an even number, we can divide it by 2. 5 2's are 10, 5 2's are 10, 2 2's are 4, 9 2's are 18, 6. Again by 2, 2's are 4, 15, 7 2's are 14, 6, 4 2's are 8, then 16, 8 2's are 16. Again by 2, 1 2's are 2, 3 2's are 6, 8, 2, 4. Then we can see that in the last problem we got the cube root of 13,824 as, what is it? 8. Only 3 2's are remaining. So comparing that, we can write 10,592 as 1 2 from this group. That is 1 2 from this group, and others already since we can already find the cube root of 13,824 as 24. Then we want to multiply that number with 2 to get the cube root of 10,592. So let us write 2 into 24. So 48 is the answer. Then here, after dividing 46,656 by 2, we got 23,328. Again by 2, it is 11,664. Again by 2, 5,832. By 2, 2,916. Again by 2, 1,458. By 2, 729. Since it is divisible by 3, we can divide it by 3. So the answer is 243. By 3 it is 81. By 3 it is 27. Then 9. Then 3 3. So from this we can see that one set of 3 2's, second set of 3 2's, third set of 3 3's and fourth set of 3 3's. That means this factorization contains 4 groups. In each group 3 2's, again 3 2's, 3 3's and 3 3's. So the cube root of this number is 1 2 from the first group, 1 2 from the second group, 1 3 from the third group and 1 3 from the fourth group. So the answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So group, the answer is 36. That is cube root of 46,656 is 36. Let us look into the next question. 1,75,616 by 2, 8, 8 2s are 16, 7 2s are 14, 8, 0, 8 by 2, 4, 3, 9, 0, 4. Again by 2, 2 in 3, 1, 9, 10, 5, 2. Then 2, 1, 9, 5, 2 by 2, 1, 0, 9, 7, 6. Then again by 2, 5, 4, 8, 8 by 2, 2, 7, 4, 4 by 2 it is 13, 7, 2. Again by 2, 6, 8, 6 by 2 it is 3, 4, 3. Since it is divisible by 7, 49 divisible by 7, here 7 is there. So last one we got, how many 2s are the first group, second group 1, second group, third group, then fourth group 3. So in the first group, here we can see how many 2s are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3. Here we can see the first group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 3 groups. In each group 3 2s and the fourth group 3 7s. So we can write cube root of 1,75,616 as, that is, from each group we can take 1 2s and the last group we can take 1 7. So the answer is 56. 8 into 7, 56. Let us look into the last question. 91125. It is divisible by 5. 1 5s are 5. 48, 2, 2, 5 by 5. 3 5s are 15. 6, 6 5s are 30. 22, 4, 5. Again by 5. 7, 2, 9. 7 2 9 divisible by 3. 2 3s are 6. 4, 3. Again by 3. 81 by 3. 27 by 3. 9. Then 9 by 3. 3. So we can see here one set contain 3 5s, another set contain 3 3s, and third group containing 3 3s. So we can write the cube root of 91125 as, first 5, it is 3 into 3. So the answer is 45. So we completed the first question from the exercise 7.2. So after watching the video, you should write down the questions and solve it, and remaining videos will send shortly.